Hi, my name is Alexandre Neto, and I am a QGIS Documentation contributor. Contributing to QGIS Documentation is a great way to learn more about the software and its newest features. Besides, it's not as hard as you may think. In this video, I want to show you how easy it is to edit and propose changes to the QGIS documentation. The first thing you need is a GitHub account and your own copy, also known as a fork, of the QGIS documentation files. If you don't have a GitHub account yet, pause the video, create an account and log in. I will wait. Once you are logged in your GitHub account, search for the QGIS documentation repository. Just type QGIS in the search bar and press enter. And scroll down until you find the QGIS/QGIS documentation. The first QGIS before the slash means it's a QGIS project owned repository. The second one is the name of the repository. Click on it to open it. The repository stores all the files that are used to build the documentation pages. I know it looks complex at first sight, but don't worry too much about it. We can skip most of that. This repository is owned by the QGIS project, and not everybody can edit it directly. For that reason, you will need to create an editable copy of your account, what is called fork in a GitHub language. On the top right corner, click the fork button. And there you go. You have your own copy of QGIS documentation. As you can see, now the first part of the name is your own username. You are all set on the GitHub. Let's go back to the QGIS documentation pages. You'll see two versions of QGIS documentation. The current LTR version, which is in this video 3.4, and the testing documentation. The testing documentation is the most updated version, and it's where we add documentation for the newest features. Also, it should match more or less your recently made copy of the documentation repository. Click on the user guide manual. Now you need to navigate to the page you want to edit. For this tutorial, let's click on Preamble. Scrolling down, it seems that the copyright date is a bit outdated. Let's fix it. Scroll down a bit more, and next to textual error, missing text, or you know better, click the Fix Me button. This will take you to the preamble.rst file on QGIS/QGIS documentation repository and put it in editing mode. So go ahead and edit the date. Scroll down a bit more to the bottom of the page to the Propose File Change. In the first line, write a short sentence describing what you proposed. This will be what in Git world is called the commit message. Type updated copyright date. Below, you can add a longer description of your changes and, more importantly, why you propose to change it. For example, the copyright date was outdated. I have bumped it to 2019. Now click the Propose File Change. The next page will show you a comparison between before your editing and after. As you can see, it compares the QGIS/QGIS documentation repository in the master branch with your QGIS documentation fork in the patch 1 branch. We will get to what a branch means in another video. Below, you can see the actual changes that you have made. Click the Create Pull Request button. And now click the Create Pull Request again. And there you go. You just created your first proposal of changes to the QGIS documentation. You just need someone with comic rights to review it, and in case everything is alright, merge it into master. That would mean your work was done, and in a few hours you would see the change you made on the documentation pages. This same page is used for discussion in case more changes are needed, so keep an eye on it. You can go back to your open pull requests at any time by clicking the Pull Requests button on the top of GitHub page. And that is all for now. Hope this will help you to contribute to the QGIS documentation. Thank you for watching and keep tuned for more QGIS documentation videos soon.